These days it's not enough to just sit there and do nothing. The digital and technological landscape changed so much that it allowed us to consume and create content in so many ways. And as a society, we think about the world in all ways we experience it. With this, I found inspiration in creating the art for Huawei Nova 7 SE. With its long-lasting 4000 mAh battery and 40 watt supercharge, this feature lets me do a lot the whole day. And with a battery life that lasts as long as you do, you have the freedom to do whatever you want for as long as you want. Hi, I'm Vincent Aseo, illustrator, and I find my freedom with Huawei Nova 7 SE.